Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your Google Photos through Gmail and vice versa, so let's get right into it. Now, to see your photos that you receive through Gmail on Google Photos, it is very easy. As you can see on this Quora article, this person has answered the exact way. You just, under the email message, you'll see a thumbnail of your photo. You just tap or click on the Drive symbol and the photo will get saved to Drive where you can look at it. And then from Drive, you can transfer it to Google Photos and you can see it there. Now, you can also click on the thumbnail or tap on it as well, and you'll be able to see that photo through, in a pop-up window, which will open up and show you that photo. Now, to see your Google Photos through Gmail, this is exactly the way you're going to be using. You can send the photos which you have on your Google Photos to anybody, and once you send them in your sent messages, in your sent email, you will see the same thumbnail, and you can click that, and then you can see your Google Photos through Gmail. You can share the photos with anyone you want. You can send them to another person, or you can send them even to yourself, and that will be pretty much the same. And from there, you can check the Gmail or the Google Photos up in Gmail, and that is pretty much it. Now, I don't know why you might want to do this, but that is pretty much how it is done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.